Hi boys and girls. So today we are going to use the keyboard keys up here and we are going to type our ABCs in order. So after I review this with you, your parents can bring up a document so you can type your ABCs. So the first letter of the ABCs is an A. So we push A. Next is B. B is over here. B. C. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So every letter of the alphabet is on your keypad, your keyboard on your computer. So remember, bring up a document on empty email and type A through Z on your computer. Have fun, boys and girls. Bye.